Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share a little bit of a decluttering kind of items that I'm getting rid of. A lot of these pieces are more autumn winter based just because this is just the seasons that I've come out of myself living here in Australia. I don't really want to declutter any of my summer things just because you just never know. Actually, there's a few things I'm getting rid of, but we'll talk about that. But I do think this is a really great way to do it. So whether or not you find anything in today's video that you might want to go ahead and, you know, buy or whatever, maybe this will just encourage you to go ahead and clear out your spring summer wardrobe, or much like me, your autumn winter wardrobe, depending on whereabouts you are in the world. So I'm going to be showing you quite a lot of surprising pieces. Some of these I bought just this year, and yeah, didn't wear them, and I'm going to run through with you why. Right here I have my Aquazzura boots. I literally wore them once. I wore these once for a photo shoot, and that was all I wore them for. And I also spoke about in that video that the corners were starting to wear, and I was actually going to go to a cobbler and get them properly, you know the terms, whatever, like get them so that this wouldn't get any worse. I didn't do that. I realized I don't wear these types of boots in the winter, in the autumn winter really at all. Not because they're ugly, not because I don't like them, not even because of the very, very minor wear that's taking place. It's just because I realize what my lifestyle is and what I get up to and what I do in the autumn winter. Obviously I did hurt my back. A lot of you may have known I had a bit of a glute back injury this year. It's finally all better now. Took like 7 months to heal, partly because of that injury, but honestly, even if I didn't have an injury, I think going that long without wearing heels and that kind of thing just made me realize I don't really like heels that much. And especially in the winter time, like I'm not gonna wear these from day to day. Like I hardly go out at night, and if I do, I guess I've just realized I don't really like heels very much. I'm more of a kitten heel type of woman, and I mean, these are still like within comfortable range for me, but I just don't like wearing heels that much. I bought these with my fantasy mind on, thinking that I was gonna, you know, be walking around, strutting around the city, either in the day or night, wearing these, and hell no, that's not me, okay? I'm a comfort queen through and through. Literally, look at me now. I'm wearing a bralette and some like Victorian Woods lounge looking, like this could honestly pass for pajamas, let's be honest. This is really not my vibe, but they're beautiful, beautiful shoes, and if you're interested, yeah, here's some boots for you if you're interested. I know brown and these caramel tones are really in, especially for this kind of autumn winter period that we're heading into. So yeah, 37.5 Aquazzura. If you do end up wanting these though, you might want to just get that kind of a bit of a, what's it called, like a toe cap. You know how they almost protect it so that it can't wear away. You might want to get that done. Next up, I've shown these before, and I'm just going to throw it out here again in case anyone's decided they want these. Balenciaga knife ankle boots in the size 37. These are the red color, obviously. Very, very minimal wear. Same reason as the Aquazzura ones. Fantasy self. I just don't really wear heels that much anymore. Heeled boots especially. And if they're a heel, they're literally like very, very small. And yeah, just my fantasy self. Yet again. The epitome of Caitlin was buying for a fantasy self. Come in the form of these Christian Louboutin platforms. And again, wore these. I've worn these once since I bought them, and again for a photo shoot, literally for half an hour. I've not worn them again since, so very, very minimal wear. Obviously there's like slight marking in the red, but yeah, I have not worn them other than for like 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes out for a photo shoot when I, you know, used to want to be an Instagram sensation. 37, personally, if I was to do this again, which, you know what, I wouldn't even do it, just because I realized how little I wear this type of heel, I would have worn a dupe. At this time when I bought these, they were such a new hot shoe, this style, that they really didn't have many options for dupes. Now they have so many more options for dupes. Look at me literally shooting myself in the foot. Being like, oh, I'm trying to sell these, but also buy a dupe. But also, if I was to do it again in general, I just wouldn't buy this style at all. It's not me, especially after I had my back/glute injury. This is not my vibe, just because they're so high. Where would I wear these to? Maybe, yes, a night out. Again, don't really go out that much at night, especially in the winter. And I like to know that I'm walking and can stably walk without seriously hurting myself. And I just don't have the balance, the coordination, the lifestyle. This was like shopping for my fantasy self. If you go out a lot, if you go out to town, if you are fashion forward, if you know, love to go out, have a big social life, if you live in a big city, if you go out a lot, these I'd say are something for you, especially if you really love fashion. I see these more on someone who probably has more of an influencer lifestyle, or just goes to a lot of events, goes out a lot. I mean, you could even wear this as a dinner shoe, but they're just not me. Like, look up some luxury influencers or just fashion influencers in general. They're wearing these platforms. They're wearing the Versace ones. They're wearing the Valentino ones. You know, this is obviously a Christian Louboutin style, but they're wearing them. They're a hot shoe. So obviously this is just my opinion. I just don't wear them, and it to me feels like I'm risking my life. So we have 3 pieces of clothing, and then I'm kind of done. 2 of these are knitwear, so these might interest you. This is by Ami Paris. It is, I'm pretty sure, a size extra small. I love this. I love this so much. It's a beautiful, beautiful sweater. I love it. I have one friend. Friends. I have one friend who has a similar piece, and she looks absolutely amazing when she wears this brand. And I've just become a lot more hyper aware of when I put something on, how I feel in it. There was a few times this winter that I tried to put this on and I just didn't feel good. I don't know if it was a neckline. I don't know. It didn't really speak to me. I think I'm more of like a big oversized sweater type of girl. So this wasn't for me, but if this is speaking to you, then this is available. If not, like I said, I'm literally going to give it to my niece. Let me know in the comments down below what you're more into. I think I'm just more into like chunky, oversized sweaters as opposed to more fitted sweaters. But to be fair, I also really like those Kate sweaters. But again, I think it's got to do with the neckline. Yeah, I think that must be it. I really only just bought this not long ago. And if you're someone who lives in America and you can't access Victorian woods, here is your chance! Again, this is like something I bought when I went in store and I just was having a moment, and I don't even know why I bought it really. I bought it because I liked it. And then when I tried to get it home, and I was like, I took the tags off, and just the more I wore it, I was like, no, it's not really, I didn't feel great in it. And again, there's nothing wrong with it. I really like the design. I like the unique aspects of the little twisty front, and the color's nice, and this little cute thing, whatever. But when I wear it, it's funny, I can't explain this, because like I said, I like bulky, oversized sweaters. This is very fitted, but it's almost like it makes me feel like I'm chunkier than I am. It makes me feel a bit fat. I know I'm not, but I just don't like the way I feel in it. I don't like the way I look in it. And that's just me. I don't think this is my vibe. I don't think it's my style, but I do really like it. And on the model and on the women that work in the store, I've seen it and it just looks really good on them. But yeah, the few times I put this on, I end up just taking it off because I just don't feel good. I have these Nanushka faux leather trousers. This purple shade, this like maroony, deep purple, beautiful, beautiful color, beautiful shade. I don't know, actually no, I know what happened. I've lost a bit of weight since I bought these. I just really like these pants, especially with, I don't know, where's the color that I'm looking for? But look at that color combination. Oh, adorable colors. These are an extra small, so if you're interested in these, they are a beautiful color. And I mean, you could get them probably maybe taken in if you're similar sizing to me, but yeah, I just can't be bothered. And I haven't worn them for the last 2 winters, I'd say. So yeah, that's just, oh actually no, I forgot. Oh my god, I've got 2 more shoes to show you. How do you say it? Castagna wedges. Like, these are a perfect espadrille in my mind, like perfect summer kind of heel in the size 37 wedge, I should say. And I love these shoes. I love them so much. They're relatively affordable. And the only reason I'm getting rid of them is because I had the opportunity in the Net-a-Porter had 20% off for like the Vogue online shopping sale or whatever. So they had 20% off a lot of things. They had 20% off these shoes as well. So I actually got these in black as well. And they're basically to replace these. So like I said, probably sick of me talking about it, I've just finally feel like I've got my old backpack. Again, I'm not selling heels too very well right now. If you're not as like extra type A paranoid as I am, these are fine. Like, so many people wear these. But I just wanted to go ahead and get the smaller size because in my little mind, it's a little difference. It's just a slight difference, but it will hopefully make the world of difference to me and my glutes and my back and my pelvis. I am proudly through and through a kitten heel type of girl. I don't care if anyone thinks they're old lady shoes or their granny shoes, whatever. I love a kitten heel, and I will probably only now buy kitten heels and flats and sneakers. This is a bit of a mishmash of a video. I don't know if you guys really like vlog sales and, you know, decluttering videos. I don't even know if you like to really buy from these types of videos. Let me know. Or, you know, even if you don't like anything, do you still want to see what I want to get rid of, even if you don't have an interest in it? I don't know, I find these types of videos fascinating because I think it kind of helps when someone talks through why they don't wear something, whether or not I even want to buy it or not. Like, I actually don't think I've ever bought anything from a vlog sale. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you want me to still do videos like this? Because, you know, cleaning out my wardrobe's gotta be like a continuous thing that I just do for the rest of my life, really. So yeah, let me know what you think of this video, and like I said, I will have all the things listed with prices next to them if you're interested, and you can email me if you want to talk further. I think that's all for me today, so thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. I'm starving. No wonder I'm trying to wrap it up so quick. I'm freaking starving to death.